Today we are going to see how can we use text-to-speech service for totally free. To do so, the first tool we need is Audacity. Audacity is a free and open-source audio recording software. Download and install it. The next tool we need is Microsoft Edge, which comes by default with Windows. Now let's change some settings in Audacity. Go to the Audio Setup option. Change host to Windows Wasabi. Now set the recording device to as same as the default playback device of your machine. That's it. Now let's create a text file. Type something inside the text file, or you can copy and paste some text inside it. Now save the text file. Now open this text file with Microsoft Edge. You can see your text here. On the right corner of the search bar, you can see an option called Read Aloud This Page. Click it and you can listen to your text. This is a test for text-to-speech. You can find lots of voices from different languages in voice options. Now go to Audacity, and click the record button. Then go to Microsoft Edge, and play Read Aloud again. This is a test for text-to-speech. Audacity will record this automatically. This is a test for text-to-speech. Now export this recording as WAV. You can play the recorded audio file and use it anywhere for voiceover. This is a test for text-to-speech. That's it. Using this simple trick, you can use text-to-speech completely free and use it for voiceover. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up, put a comment below, and share this video to help others. Subscribe to this channel for future videos.